Good morning, my beautiful owls. Hope everyone's doing great. So, we have another story time. So, before we get into the actual story, let's talk about the author and the illustrator. So, the author, what's his job or her job? To write the words. And I wrote, I am a girl. And what about the illustrator? That's right. The illustrator draws the picture. So that's the artist. And I drew a little house, a lane, some trees, and a little girl. So the author and the illustrator of this book is Lizzy Rockwell. And the name of the book is The Busybody Book. So I know a lot of us are stuck in the house right now. But while we are at home, you just want to continue to wash your hands, of course, but remain as active as possible. So if it's just means to take an evening walk or to go out in the backyard and just to get active. So let's get right into our story. So again, the name of the book is The Busybody Book. Busybodies bounce up and down. They stretch from side to side and run all around. They catch and throw. They push and pull. They pedal, they paddle, they roller skate too. When you get busy, what do you do? So when I get busy, my favorite thing to do is go for a simple walk. Your body is meant to be busy. It's meant to move fast, lift heavy things, or walk or run for miles. Just look at it. You have hands for clapping, feet for stomping, legs for leaping, and arms for swinging. You can jump, sprint, twist, and twirl. Look like there's a silent dance party going on here. You can do all that because your body is built to move. Underneath your skin is strong. Hard skeleton made of, start with a B, bones. Bones keep your body standing tall. Joints connect bones so you can bend. So that's the skeleton. Muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Muscles let you move and lift and stretch. When you use your muscles again and again, they don't get worn out. Instead, they get stronger. And these are the muscles. Inside your skull sits your incredible brain. Your brain controls every move you make and think your thoughts. It gets information about the world from your five senses. And remember, we talked about the five senses: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching. Then it tells your muscle what to do and how to move. Messages travel back and forth at lightning speed along wire thin fiber called nerves. So that's the nervous system, and these are your five senses. Your body is an amazing living machine, and it only needs a few things to make it go, like air to breathe and food to eat and water to drink. These things come in your body through your mouth or nose. But then where do they go? Where do they go and what do they do? When you breathe, your lungs collect oxygen from the air. Your muscles need oxygen so they can move. Your brain needs oxygen so it can think. When you breathe in, you get fresh air. When you breathe out, you get rid of the stale air. So that's the lungs. And we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The heart moves oxygen from your lungs to the other parts of your body. Your heart pumps blood through long, thin tubes called vessels. The blood picks up oxygen in the lungs and carries it to your muscles and to your brain. When your body gets busy, it uses more oxygen. When your heart beats faster and your lungs breathe deeper. So that's the heart, right? These are all your veins. And the heart in the middle. As blood travels through your body, it also picks up food and water from the intestines, but it delivers them where they are needed. Food gives your body energy. Your muscles use energy to move. Your heart uses energy to pump. And your brain uses energy to think. Food also supplies the materials that build bone and muscles. So that's the intestines, large and small. All living things need water to survive. There is water in your muscles and around your brain. It is the main ingredient in your saliva, sweat, urine, and blood. Because your blood is mostly water, it can easily flow in and out of your heart and through your vessels. The path it travels is called the bloodstream. So it's like a hose. What are these guys doing? They're playing soccer. When your body works hard, it gets hot and sweaty. Sweat is water that seeps through your skin to cool you off. The busier a body is, the more water it needs. Did you drink any water today? A busy body works hard. After a while, it needs to rest. Rest lets your body heal and grow and get ready for another day. That's why sometimes you need a nap. A body that gets busy each day stays strong, healthy, and happy. There are lots of ways to be a busy body. So my two favorite things here are cheerleading and tennis. And this summer I'm going to play some tennis. Which is your favorite? So think about your favorite activity to do and draw a picture. And don't forget, on Friday we'll have a meeting, so maybe you can bring your picture for show and tell. Who knows? But that's the end of the Busy Body book. Let's shake our house jar and pick out one special friend, and then I'll use 2 words to describe that friend. Here we go. Drum roll, please. It's Natalie Norkin. So something special about Natalie is her quick wit and how bold she is. Natalie does not let anything hold her back, and I miss you so much, my dear. Can't wait to see you. Bye, you guys. Oh, we cannot forget. We have to end our video the special way. Grab, squeeze, and shake it out. Bye, you guys.